In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reference line in Tableau. Whether you're looking to highlight key metrics or illustrate important thresholds, adding a reference line can make your data story more compelling. Let's dive into the process, starting with accessing Tableau. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. If you already have Tableau installed on your computer, you can open the application directly. For those who don't have an account yet, you'll need to either log in or sign up to access the software. Having your account set up ensures you can work seamlessly with your data and save any changes you make along the way. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the Tableau workspace. You can choose to either click on an existing workbook if you have one, or you can create a new workbook from scratch. It's your choice depending on where you'd like to add your reference line. With your workbook ready, navigate to the left side of the interface in Tableau Desktop, where you'll find the Analytics pane. This pane is your gateway to a range of tools that allow you to add more analytical depth to your visualizations. Now, look for the reference line option within the Analytics pane. It's typically located amongst other analytical tools you can use. To add the reference line, simply click and drag it onto your view. This action will bring up a dialog box where you can set specifics about your reference line. Inside this dialog box, you'll need to choose the axis where the reference line will be applied, either the X or Y axis, depending on your data visualization. Next, you'll decide on the type of reference line you want to include. Tableau offers several options such as constant, average, median, and even custom calculations. Choose one that best suits the insight you're hoping to showcase. The customization doesn't stop there. You have additional options to further personalize your reference line. Begin with the value, where you specify what you want the line to represent. It could be a numerical value, a field, or a parameter that you've predefined. Then, consider the label. Decide if you want a label for your line, and think about how it should be formatted for clarity. Finally, take a moment to adjust the formatting aspect. This means personalizing the appearance of your line. You can choose the color, style, and width to ensure it fits well with your visualization design. After you're satisfied with your customizations, simply click OK to apply your reference line to the visualization. And there you have it, a well-defined reference line that adds valuable context to your data story, all in just a few minutes.